Big Brother Naija, when is it starting? When is it starting? Make some noise, when is it starting? Are you sure? Make some noise, jump. Are you ready? Let's go again.
I am in Lagos, Ikeja City Mall for the Big Brother Naija fans experience.
To experience the Big Brother fun experience actually.
My mom just told me we're coming to somewhere and I ended up coming here.
Well, I'm expecting drama. A lot of drama. You know the kind of drama I'm talking about. A lot of drama. Something that by 12 noon, I'm watching Big Brother Naija. And that's when it's always very, very. Thank God you can use your phone now. The DSTV app is on your phone, so you can just use it to watch. I like the fact that it's an open space. I can walk around. There's freebies. There are a lot of things. So I'm really having fun.
I'm expecting fun, more crews and lovebirds. Since it's best friends, couple shows, and I guess it will be more different and there'll be more entertainment to be precise.
We're expecting more of it this year because I guess they say this year double they're going to be doing like a partner, so we're expecting more drama, more vibes, more spice and more of everything. I'm very sure they're going to watch the movie because I'm very sure they're going to see the movie because a lot of people, even in the office, they can just connect and okay, we'll see where they go on. Let's see the updates, let's see what's happening, let's see the drama, let's see who slap who. So that's just it. I'm not sure. I'm very sure Nigeria is still going to see the movie. I'm very, very sure because the movie is not something that is dull. Something that the movie have vibes. The live they have different kind of people coming from different areas. So you meeting different people, they want to know that okay, this person. I'm very sure Nigeria is going to see the movie. I'm not sure about other countries, but Nigeria's 100. We're going to see the movie. I'm looking forward to it.
Are you ready? Put your hands up. Yeah. Are you ready? Thank you.
Hi, this is Joy. Keep watching iBrandTV.
Thank you so much, Ibrand, for giving me the opportunity to talk. I really appreciate it. Thank you. And Big Brother will be looking forward to seeing the movie. Thank you.